Aloha! I'm very excited to share the news that we're launching a new program called NP Career Starter Kit next week. This program is designed for nurse practitioner students and nurse practitioners who just graduate from their program to start a solid nurse practitioner career. I graduated from nurse practitioner program 12 years ago. I studied hard and graduated with good grades. I thought that everything's gonna be fine and smooth after graduation because I did my very best in school. But the reality wasn't that easy. Unlike for new grad nurses, you may not be working with senior nurse practitioners when you start your first nurse practitioner job. That means you may not be able to ask questions and seek mentorship from them. And that was actually my case. For my first nurse practitioner job, I worked with two physicians, but they oftentimes worked at a different location, so I couldn't casually contact them for questions and mentorship. Also, they couldn't be exactly my role model because they were physicians and their professional backgrounds are different. In my new grad period as a nurse practitioner, I felt very lonely and super scared. Nowadays, there are nurse practitioner residency and fellowship programs, but they are very limited. That means the majority of nurse practitioners will be pushed to work pretty much independently right after graduation. I felt very unprepared and scared to work as a new nurse practitioner after graduation, even though I got good grades, because the school didn't teach me how to start a career as a nurse practitioner. And unfortunately, things hasn't changed since then. I precept nurse practitioner students and they have no idea how to get licensed and how to look for their first nurse practitioner job. And that is why I made this new program called NP Career Starter Kit. This program focuses on practical tips that I wish I knew when I was in nurse practitioner program and as a new grad nurse practitioner. And I will teach you those tips so you can land a great first nurse practitioner job and actually enjoy your job. We'll send you more information about this program, but I wanted to share this great news with you now so you can look out for our emails about this new program. I hope you are having a great day. I'll talk to you soon.